Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling LTCUSD Litecoin. Recent news suggests a significant price drop, potentially influenced by the upcoming Litecoin halving event and overall market sentiment. However, some reports also highlight strong support among LTC holders, which might prevent a sharp downturn. Let's analyze the charts to see if we can find clues to support or contradict these narratives. Looking at the daily chart, we see a clear downward trend, but notice the significant volume spike during the price drop on December 18th. This increased trading activity might signal a considerable shift in market sentiment or potentially a short-term reversal. Let's look at the 1-hour chart to analyze these patterns in more detail. The resistance at around $110 is a critical level to watch. A sustained break below this level could lead to further bearish pressure. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart. This allows for a finer-grained analysis of the recent price fluctuations. We can see several instances of short-term support and resistance levels. For instance, the price seems to find support around the $100 mark, whereas the $110 mark acts as resistance. Any break above $110 could be an indication of a bullish trend. On the 1-hour chart, the volume spikes around the critical support levels, indicating active trading during those periods. If the price continues to fall, breaking below the crucial support at $100, it could trigger a more significant sell-off in the short term. The current price action hints that the market is indecisive, but it's essential to wait for a decisive move to confirm whether it's bullish or bearish. This indecisiveness is reflected across all time frames. Let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to get a clearer picture of recent price fluctuations. Here, we can see that the price has been consolidating within a tight range, suggesting uncertainty in the market, which is also consistent with current news that indicates both bullish and bearish sentiment. However, the lack of clear directional momentum suggests the need to observe further price action before making any definite bullish or bearish predictions. We need to watch closely for decisive breakouts above the resistance levels or below the support levels. In summary, the Litecoin market shows a complex mix of bullish and bearish signals. Key support levels exist around $100 and $105, while resistance is concentrated around $110 and $120. There's a moderate likelihood of a short-term bounce back, possibly exceeding the $110 resistance if the halving event news has a positive effect on market sentiment. However, a decisive break below $100 could trigger a significant price drop. The market is currently highly volatile, so it is crucial to carefully observe the price action and volume changes around these key levels in all time frames for reliable signals. Keep an eye on volume as it could indicate the strength of a possible break above or below the support or resistance levels.